Good morning students. Today we are going to start a new lesson for class 6. That chapter is Word 2010 Mail Merge. This chapter is about totally practical. Students, today we will learn about mail merge. Mail merge is a useful tool in word processing that allow us to produce multiple letters, labels, envelopes, name tags and many more easily using information stored in a list, database or in a spreadsheet. So let us learn how to use the mail merge wizard to create a data, score and form letters and explore the other wizard features also. Students, it is very important because mail merge help us to send same type of messages or invitation cards or letters. Only we have to change the personal details like name, address, all these things, and it saves our time. So now I will show you how to do mail merge. Okay students, today we are learning how to do mail merge in MS Word. So to do the mail merge, what you have to do, you have to first open a MS Word, then you have to take a blank sheet. Okay, now I have taken a blank sheet. Now I will say how to do mailings. You can see here students, mailing option is already there. It is here. Okay, now first you have to click here. After clicking in this mailing, you have to click in this start mail merge. Click here. Then here it is given step by step mail merge wizard. Click on this option. When you will click here, you will see this dialog box will appear here, this mail merge. Now we have to click on this letter option because we are sending letters. Okay, then afterwards click on this. Here in the down it is written there step 1 to 6. It is written step 1 to 6. You have to click in this step starting document. Click here. When you will click here, so more options will appear. So choose the first option, use the current document. Okay, then if you want to write a letter, then you have to use this current document, start from a template and start for using existing document. So I have chosen the first one, this one, use the current document. Students, here is one more option. That option is here in the down step 2. We came in now step 2. Now you have to click in this select receipt. Then click here. Then next step is type a new list. Okay, then next create. We can create also. Click in this create option. I have click on this create option. We have already some things, title, first name, last name, company name, but we will delete this entries. So what we will do, we will customize the columns. Click on this option, customize columns. Click here. Then we will delete these things. Delete. Then okay. Then first name, delete. Whatever you want to delete, you may delete from here. So I have deleted what I don't want, and I kept whatever I want. I have kept here. Okay. Then we have to click in this new entry. Okay, we will fill here first name, whatever name is there, fill that entries. Now students, you can see here I have entry 2 already, Sheetal, Rahul, and third one I am going to entry. You can see here you have to write the name. Then second option is address, where she lives, you have to write the address. Students, you can see here. Okay, I have entry here of my 3 friends. How many friends you want, you may entry from here. It is new entry is here. I have entry 3 friends because I want to send only my 3 friends. Okay, then afterwards you have to click on this OK. Then you may save it also. Which name you want to save it. Okay, then save it. After saving, you may short from here if you want with the name of short, if you want to filter, if you want to attempt, whatever you want you can do from here. Any type of changes you can do from here. If you don't want, then click on this OK option. Okay, then students, our next step is step 3rd. Now we came in step 3rd, 3 of 6. When we are doing mail merge, we have only 6 steps. Now we came in step 3rd. Okay, now next step is write your letter. Click on this write your letter. Okay, now I have clicked here. Okay, now I am going to type my letter from here. How I will type? Like this. Dear then what I will do, I will customize. Okay, then here it is given more items. You can see here I will add the name here. Okay, more item, then I will add the name here. Okay, then insert. Okay, the name will come here, then close it. Okay, then what you will write in your letter, you will write you are invited. You are invited to party. Okay, you are invited to party. I hope you will come. I have written you are invited to party. I hope you will come. Then afterwards, to whom you are going to invite, then again you have to go here, this more items, click on this, then address will come, then insert, then city will come, then click on insert, then state will come, then insert, and afterwards zip code will come, then insert. Okay, then close it. Okay, now it is about to be ready. Now our next step is this one, next one. Click here this next, complete the margins. Okay, you can see from here. Now you can see when I have clicked here, then our first one was Sheetal. Now you can see here recipient 1 is Sheetal. Now I am going to change from here. You see, click here. Now 2. Now it's came 2. You can see here. Now second one is Rahul. Okay. Our third one is Seema. You can check from here. Okay. Now afterwards, if you want to do any type of edit, you can do from here. Then afterwards, complete the merge. Click on this, complete the merge. Okay, then click on this print option. Okay, then click on OK. Then if your computer is connected to the printer, then it will come, then click on this OK. Okay, now in this way you may take the print out. Okay, I hope you understood the mail merge. Thank you. Have a nice day.